When it comes to anything fitness nowadays, we always have to choose between one thing or the other. या तो सही होता है या तो गलत होता है. It's either good or it's bad. You either do one thing and you get six-pack abs, or you do the other thing and you become fat. Whether it's nutrition, training, lifestyle, जो भी हो. It's always in the extremes. And it doesn't have to be that way. It's not always white or black. बहुत ज़्यादा grey area रहता है बीच में जहाँ पे आपको logic use करना होगा. And that's exactly what we're going to do to understand how we can use cardio and weight training to our benefit to be able to reach our fat loss goals. This is going to be an interesting one, so let's get right into it. The first point is do not choose. The reason I'm telling you do not choose is so that आपको लगेगा कि weight training या cardio में से एक करना चाहिए and the other one is absolutely useless, which is not true. The same thing in the previous episode I've told you that don't see food also as good or bad. Every food has a place in your life, in your lifestyle. If you have it or you don't have it is completely up to you, but for example, सब लोग को लगता है कि burger is a cheat food, burger is a bad food. But at some point in your life, if you have it and you don't feel guilty after having it, that is a sign of progress also for you. ठीक है? So understand that there is no food that is bad. Every food will get you calories, and labeling food as good or bad is a very bad thing. Same thing here. Don't label cardio as good or bad. Don't label weight training as good or bad. Both have their benefits. आप जैसे यूज़ करते हो वैसे ही आपका benefit बढ़ सकता है, and if you abuse any of it, वो आपके लिए अच्छा नहीं होगा. And that's exactly what we're going to understand in point number 4 and 5. But the first thing is don't make a choice between the two. This takes us to point number 2. Point number 2 is a very important concept that we discussed in episode 2. अगर आपने नहीं देखा है, please go and watch the video. It is nothing but a calorie deficit. अगर आप calorie deficit में नहीं हो, cardio and weight training will not help you lose fat. None of it. Okay, you have to create a calorie deficit. That means you need to give your body a little less calories than what it needs to maintain your weight. कैसे करना है, calories कैसे calculate करना है, the previous video will explain exactly that. बहुत डिटेल में मैंने बताया आपको कैसे calculate करना पड़ता है आपके calories, carbs, proteins, fats, everything. Okay, if you haven't watched that video, please do, because that's how you're going to create a calorie deficit. When it comes to creating a calorie deficit, you have to focus on your nutrition. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. It's Amber Sood Fitness. I cover all of these topics in a very short span of time, 1 minute or 30-second videos. And in that, I have covered this topic and I make you understand that if you do training with the concept of burning calories, it's the worst thing you can do. आपको सिर्फ workout करना चाहिए skill improve करने में, or to get stronger, or to do a movement with a better form and technique. ठीक है, नॉट टू बर्न कैलोरीज. इवन व्हेन इट कम्स टू कार्डियो और वेट ट्रेनिंग, आपका गोल अलग होना चाहिए, परफॉर्मेंस गोल होना चाहिए. यू आर डूइंग इट टू परफॉर्म बेटर, यू आर डूइंग इट टू फील बेटर, यू आर डूइंग इट टू इम्प्रूव योर एंड्योरेंस, स्ट्रेंथ, ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स, नॉट टू बर्न कैलोरीज. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू बर्न कैलोरीज, इट्स ऑलवेज कमिंग डाउन टू योर न्यूट्रिशन. न्यूट्रिशन से आप कैलोरी डेफिसिट क्रिएट कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वेरी ईजी, इफ यू नीड 2000 कैलोरीज टू मेंटेन योर वेट एंड यू नीड टू बी इन अ कैलोरी डेफिसिट ऑफ मे बी 1800 कैलोरीज, वो 200 कैलोरी का डेफिसिट या तो आप 1 घंटा का कार्डियो कर सकते हो, और यू कैन जस्ट से नो टू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ राइस और रोटी और सब्जी और दाल, एंड यू विल क्रिएट दैट 200 कैलोरी डेफिसिट. इट इज़ मच ईजियर टू डू दैट. एक्सेप्ट अगर आप फैट लॉस कर रहे हो एंड you are closer to a single digit body fat, and at that point you don't want to reduce the number of calories or reduce the amount of food you're eating, then you can increase your cardio a little bit. ठीक है, but initially the easiest way to create a calorie deficit is to go into your nutrition. But ये वीडियो में मैं nutrition के अंदर नहीं जाऊँगा ज़्यादा. I want to discuss cardio and weight training and how it can affect your fat loss journey. All I want you to understand from this point is कि calorie deficit में रहना होगा आपको. अगर आप नहीं हो, cardio and weight training will not do anything for you. The first and most common myth when it comes to cardio is that if you do cardio, you will lose muscle mass. That is not true. If you overdo cardio, if you run a marathon every single day, and on top of that you don't do weight training and you are in an excessive calorie deficit, ठीक है, very aggressive calorie deficit, तब जाके आपका muscle loss हो सकता है. Too much of anything is bad. I'm saying cardio is good, too much of cardio is not good. I'm saying weight training is good, too much of weight training is not good. Right? A calorie deficit is good for fat loss. ज़्यादा calorie deficit करोगे, only bad things will happen. ठीक है, it's about how you do it which matters the most. Okay, so don't worry about losing muscle mass when it comes to cardio. Cardio के लिए हम लोग इतने सारे health benefits होते हैं कि you shouldn't think of these small drawbacks. And that's exactly what we're going to discuss here, how you can do cardio to help you improve your health, your stamina, your endurance and everything else. So point number 1, muscle loss, it's not true. ठीक है. Second one, a lot of people think that you will gain weight if you do cardio. अगेन दैट इज़ एब्सोल्यूट बुलशिट. When have you heard someone complain कि मैंने कार्डियो करके वेट गेन किया है? The only way it's possible is that अगर आप कार्डियो करो, you think you are burning a certain amount of calories. आप ट्रेडमिल पे देखते हो, वॉच पे देखते हो how many calories you've burnt. That is a very very bad thing to do. Okay? जो भी डिवाइस आप लो, all of it is inaccurate. जो भी नंबर्स दिखा रहे हैं वो सही नहीं है. So if you are looking at that and eating back the calories that you are burning, that will probably make you go into a calorie surplus, not a deficit, and then there are chances of you gaining weight. तो कार्डियो की वजह से आपका वेट गेन नहीं हो रहा है. आप जो कार्डियो करके आप वापस वो कैलोरीज खाते हो, that is what makes you gain weight. Okay, so that is the basic mentality you have around cardio and burning calories and eating calories back that will make you gain weight, but not cardio or weight training itself. ठीक है? So again, that is not true. Point number 3 is you get too bulky if you do weight training. A lot of women also think that immediately after they pick up weights they'll get bulky, which is not true at all. I've been trying for 8 years and I still look like this and I'm completely natural. Unless you are doing steroids, unless you are putting in that amount of work and your life depends on it, only then will you be able to even reach that level of putting on that kind of muscle mass of the people that you see competing, of the people you see on social media and all of those things. If you have a different job to do, if you have other hobbies, if you have other things to do, there is no way you will be able to get too bulky. It takes decades to reach that level. Okay, so before, a lot of people think I'll never go to the gym because I will get too bulky. That is not true. So there are so many benefits when it comes to strength training that you don't need to think it's going to make you too bulky, and it's not even true. By the time you even get there, it's going to be years and years of hard work. So don't think about it. Okay, now we go into strength training and the good and bad when it comes to strength training. Now let's discuss the good and bad when it comes to weight training or strength training. The first thing is that your strength definitely goes up. Okay, आप प्रोग्रेसिव ओवरलोड यूज़ करो, इम्प्रूव टेक्निक, फॉर्म, ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स, ओवर टाइम आप देखोगे कि आपका स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ेगा. स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ने से यू विल इम्प्रूव योर लीन बॉडी मास. In the previous episodes also I told you, the more lean body mass you have, the more calories you will burn at a rested state, you improve your metabolism, you will improve your efficiency, you will look better, and there are only good things that will come from retaining lean body mass, and that is also the main aim. It's not only fat loss, it's about retaining muscle mass also, which will only happen through strength training. Point number 3 is injury risk. If you do strength training, you reduce the chances of getting injured. If you see sports persons like even Cristiano Ronaldo, you need a lot of endurance and stamina to be able to play the sport of football, but even a person of his standard spends a lot of their off season and a lot of their off time in strength training, weight training, in the gym, using weights, using resistance, is because आप जो भी करो, ठीक है, you do so many reps of it. If you're running a marathon, you're running so many kilometers over a period of time that आपका overuse injury हो सकता है if you don't have proper form and technique. And where do you improve form and technique is by doing it in the gym. ठीक है, so the more resistance training you do, the lesser chances of you getting injured. And this doesn't hold true only for athletes, it's also for the general population, so keep that in mind. The last point and the most important point is that it improves your bone density. And this is something that will help you for a very, very long time, especially when you get older. Your bones get very fragile, and this will help you improve your bone density, and a lot of the injuries that happen because of getting older will get delayed if you can spend enough time strength training. Very important points. ये आपको कहीं और नहीं मिलेगा, आप कार्डियो करके ये सब नहीं कर सकते हो. So at no point should you be doing too much of cardio and no weight training. Okay, because the advantages of weight training will only come from weight training. Now we go to the bad part of strength training. Honestly, it's not so bad. Okay, because the first thing is time and investment. Everything that is worth having takes time and takes investment, right? It's not only strength training, it's not only fitness, it's everything in life. ठीक है, आपको ज़्यादा सैलरी चाहिए, you have to work harder, right? Same thing with this. Strength training, the benefits of strength training take a lot of time to show. आपको कई महीने, कई सालों के लिए आपको ट्रेनिंग करना होगा to be able to get the benefits of weight training, which is the bad part of it, right? But if you do it, the results will last for a very, very long time. Okay? Quite opposite to cardio, because cardio करके आपको instant effect मिलता है. You start improving your strength and stamina after a few sessions. But with strength training, if you don't do strength training for a few weeks and you come back to it, आपका strength रहेगा. आपका muscle memory की वजह से you will be able to get back to your original strength and get stronger much faster. Because आपने एक बार कर लिया deadlift या squat या bench press या कुछ भी, with resistance, you'll notice that your body remembers that movement and you'll be able to do it much faster. ज़्यादा weight training करोगे तो आपका overuse injury हो सकता है, okay? Especially if you do it with bad form, bad technique, and you are not under the right guidance, you will use those muscles over and over again, and you will definitely increase the amount of chances of getting an injury as well. Third one, अगर आप हर दिन वर्कआउट कर रहे हो या दिन में 2 बार या 3 बार वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, बहुत लोग करते हैं बिकॉज दे थिंक दैट द मोर यू डू weight training, the more it will benefit. But if you're on steroids, you can still put in a lot of work because you recover faster. But if you're natural, recovery is a big issue. बहुत लोग sore होके भी next session पे जाते हैं, and you have to do that sometimes, but you shouldn't be doing it all the time. You shouldn't be tired of it all the time, and you should recover from your sessions. Recovery is as important as anything else to be able to improve. And being natural, you will take more time to recover. So if you're working out every day or working out 2 times a day, you need to take a step back and think about it. अगर आप ठीक से वर्कआउट नहीं कर रहे हो and you're not training the opposite muscles equally, there'll be a lot of imbalances when it comes to your body. Chest ज़्यादा वर्कआउट करोगे, बैक ज़्यादा नहीं करोगे, then it's a problem. If your hamstrings are weak and your quads are strong, you'll have knee issues, you'll have hip issues, you'll have ankle issues. There are a lot of things that can happen if your body suffers from any kind of imbalances. So these are things all of these things are under your control. Now we go into cardio. बहुत लोग कार्डियो को अब्यूज़ करते हैं, बहुत लोग को लगता है कि कार्डियो यूजलेस है, but it's not true. It's far from the truth. There's so many good things that come out of cardio. It again depends on how you do it and how you use it to your advantage. Okay, first thing is that cardiovascular health improves. When you do cardio, you see the benefits of doing cardio after very few sessions. ठीक है, स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग को बहुत टाइम लगता है. कार्डियो अगर आप एक हफ्ते के लिए करो, you will start seeing your improvements when it comes to your endurance, your stamina, your speed, all of those things. ठीक है, so that is a good thing, that is a good form of motivation to have, okay, when you get into cardio. But again, अगर आप कार्डियो एक हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते के लिए नहीं करो तो you will start seeing the effects of it again. Especially if you are interested in any kind of sport, cardiovascular health is very important. It improves your lung capacity, your VO2 max as well, which will carry over to strength training as well. अगर आप ये करो, there are forms of cardio if you do, it will improve your strength training as well. The third point is efficiency. Efficiency means that अगर आप 1 किलोमीटर भाग रहे हो अभी and you are feeling very tired, if you do cardio to improve your 1 kilometer speed or 1 kilometer running technique, you will get more efficient. So you get more efficient with the way you do it. Efficiency can also be with your breathing pattern, right? If you don't know how to breathe while doing a particular exercise, you become very inefficient, right? It takes away from your strength, it takes away from your form and technique, and you start collapsing. But if your cardiovascular health is good, it really improves your efficiency of your form and technique, plus your breathing pattern, plus a lot of other things. And your last one is that it improves your stamina and endurance, which is very obvious. Now we go to the bad part of it, is that your return on investment is not very high, so you have to put in a lot of effort and a lot of sweat, blood, tears, all of it to get the benefits out of it as well. That's with anything, okay? So it's not so much a bad point, but it is the bad part of it, okay? Second one is recovery. आप ज़्यादा cardio करो strength training के साथ, and if you don't have enough time between your sessions to recover, you will not be able to get stronger, you will not be able to get better at your performance. आपका performance गिरेगा in fact, right? The same weight that you were doing, if you do it when you're tired, it will feel much heavier and you won't be able to improve or progress. ठीक है, so improving your recovery and focusing on recovery is very important. Too much of cardio will reduce strength. ज़्यादा cardio करो, आपका recovery नहीं होगा and your strength will drop. And the last one is, it's boring, because a lot of people think that you only have to run on a treadmill to be able to do your cardio, which is not true. And there is no superior form of cardio, okay? मैं अलग वीडियो बनाऊंगा इसके बारे में, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. बट अंडरस्टैंड दैट आप कुछ भी कार्डियो कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू लाइक अ स्पोर्ट, प्ले अ स्पोर्ट टू डू योर कार्डियो. इफ़ यू लाइक अ पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट, डू अ फॉर्म ऑफ कार्डियो दैट विल हेल्प यू इम्प्रूव दैट स्पोर्ट. इफ़ यू लाइक प्लेइंग फुटबॉल, डू स्प्रिंट्स, डू कोन ड्रिल्स, डू लैडर ड्रिल्स. इतने सारे ड्रिल्स हैं दैट आर सो इंटरेस्टिंग एंड विल एक्चुअली नॉट टेक अप टू मच ऑफ योर टाइम, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक दैट कार्डियो करने के लिए मेरे को 10 किलोमीटर भागना होगा. दैट इज़ नॉट ट्रू. It gets very boring. I find it boring. I don't do that, right? If I want to get better at football, I do some cone drills, I do some ladder drills, and you can see all of those things online as well. Now we move on to the plan of action. आपको क्या करना चाहिए? How can you implement strength training and cardio into your routine to be able to help you with your fat loss journey? Now what we understand is that to retain as much muscle mass as possible, the only thing that can help you is strength training. ठीक है? The only thing that can help you to be in a calorie deficit is your nutrition, not cardio. Okay? So with your strength training, आपके schedule के हिसाब से, आपके lifestyles के हिसाब से, you can go anywhere between 3 to 5 sessions of strength training. Okay? You can have a 3-day split where you do a full body, or if you have more time, if you can do 4 sessions, you can do upper lower. If you have 5 sessions that you can do, or maybe 6 sessions you can do push pull legs, and the list goes on. Hit multiple muscle groups to be able to get as much from these 3 to 5 sessions. आपको ये ध्यान में रखना होगा कि you need to hit every muscle group 2 times a week. At least aim for that. So even if you have 4 days, do upper lower, so that the frequency of hitting every muscle group is still there. आपके training split के बारे में we'll speak on a different video so that you understand that topic separately. Now along with these 3 to 5 sessions of strength training, what you can do is 2 or 3 sessions of cardio. And these 2-3 sessions of cardio can either be in the gym on any kind of machine, or it can be a sport that you like to play. आपके steps जो आप कर रहे हो 8,000 to 10,000 steps that we discussed in the previous video also, it's not a part of your cardio. Specifically a few sessions of cardio, 2 to 3 sessions of cardio is what you need. ठीक है? If you're doing 5 sessions of weight training, 4 or 5 sessions or maybe 6 sessions of strength training, you can do maybe 1 or 2 sessions of cardio. Try to keep it 2. But more strength training, you can do a little bit less cardio. If you're doing anyway just 3 sessions of this, you can do 3 sessions of that also. Just make sure that you don't do your cardio before weight training. Maybe you can do strength training and uske baad, if you have time, you can do cardio, you can get your cardio in, because uske liye you don't need so much of energy. Okay? And if you don't have time, honestly, you can always do strength training and then do your cardio. Just never do cardio before your strength training. And when it comes to strength training, you don't have to do only squats, deadlifts, bench press and anything that you see other people doing, like a bodybuilding split. That is not true. आप kettlebell use कर सकते हो. You can use a barbell, you can use a dumbbell, you can use plates, you can use a pull-up bar, you can use a dip bar. There's so many things you can do. You can use your own body weight to be able to add resistance as well. उस पे आप, there's so many other things like paused reps, partial reps, drop sets, so many things that you can use to make any kind of exercise more difficult for you and more challenging for you. And it has to keep getting more challenging so that you get better. Your body has to adapt to get stronger and make any kind of change. आप एक ही चीज़ करके आप change नहीं expect कर सकते हो. So understand that when it comes to strength training, there's so many different options that you can use. Okay? And when it comes to cardio as well, there's not one form of cardio you can do. There's so many different forms of cardio you can do. So neither of these things have to be boring. If you say you don't like to do it, that means you're not exploring your options, you're not doing it correctly. ठीक है? You need to hire a better coach maybe to help you explain that there's so many different ways you can go about it. Strength training के benefits cardio से नहीं ला सकते हो and cardio के benefits आप strength training से नहीं ला सकते हो. So you have to do both. If you want to be a part of a very supportive community called Kaizen Fitness, you will be coached by me and my co-coach Sara, and we will teach you how to design your nutrition, training, lifestyle so that you can achieve all your fitness goals. If you don't want to, you can always wait for my new videos, but if you want to be a part of that community, please click on the link in the bio and it'll take you there. I hope I cleared a few points when it comes to cardio and weight training, and अगर आपको अच्छा लगा, please leave a comment below. Tell me what kind of cardio you like to do, what kind of workouts you like to do. Any other questions that I might have missed out, please let me know in the comments below and I will get back to you on this. If you like this video, please like, share, comment. It helps me a lot, and I will see you guys in the next episode.